if you stick with it, long enough, if you essentially push yourself to go to the gym every day, eventually the subconscious mind's programming gets rewritten and it no longer resists going to the gym. You see, we have our conscious and our subconscious mind. Our conscious mind is the watchman at the gate. Its function is to protect your subconscious mind from false impressions. So your conscious mind is your thinking mind. It's the mind that you use to rationalize, to think about ideas, to say you're going to do something. But it's really the subconscious mind that's in control. It's the reactive mind or the emotional mind. It's a part of you that motivates you to do the things that you have to do. For example, let's say you decide to go to the gym every day, Monday to Friday. Well, that's a conscious decision that you made in your conscious mind. Now, you might be able to willpower your way into the gym for the first few days, and then all of a sudden you're met with internal resistance. You don't want to wake up early, you don't feel like doing it, it's stressing you out. All these different kinds of things happen. Well, all that stuff that's happening is a result of your subconscious mind. You see, your subconscious mind in a scenario like that is saying, this is not the normal thing. We don't normally do things like this, so we're just not going to do it anymore. And as a result, you'll probably stop. And if you stick with it, long enough, if you essentially push yourself to go to the gym every day, eventually the subconscious mind's programming gets rewritten and it no longer resists going to the gym. So why did it get easier? Well, it got easier because the repetition of doing the thing over and over again programmed the subconscious mind to make it reality. And once it became the norm, there was no longer any resistance. Now, that's very powerful because if you think about it, the same applies in behaviors that we do. Social behaviors, business behaviors, productive behaviors, any type of behaviors, both positive and negative, are driven habitually by the subconscious mind. We might be able to consciously decide to do something, but it's really the subconscious mind that's going to create lasting results.